Unicorn needs paper clips. But it looks like she needs tissues more. Achoo! Unicorn's magical sneeze turns a regular paperclip into a giant one. Trace a square template with round corners on a foam rubber sheet. Cut out a few pieces of different colors. Hot glue unicorn features made out of a glittering foam rubber sheet and paper. Ears, horn, mane, glasses, and cheeks. Decorate it with glittering stars and flowers. Draw eyes with a marker. Paint hearts on the cheeks. Make more unicorn faces the same way. Attach different decorations and draw different facial expressions. Shape colored wire to make a big paper clip. And hot glue it to the unicorn muzzle. Wow! Unicorn can easily turn a plain paper clip into a self-portrait. Or maybe unicorns are just allergic to human school supplies. Let's test our theory. Dolly summons a magical sneeze with a feather. It worked! A regular paperclip turns into a gigantic one again, and it also has a unicorn face. Miss Smith needs to witness this experiment. The formula works. A magical sneeze plus a regular paperclip equals a maxi unicorn paperclip. This magical paperclip will make a nice bookmark. I love this school! Classes with unicorn are never boring. The girls are having a lot of fun right now. Catapult! A ruler duel? Invasions of hostile notebooks? Miss Smith is tired of battling her disobedient students. The teacher goes to great lengths to get their attention. Where is my giant rainbow protractor? Cut a protractor out of thick cardboard. Trace the protractor on a white foam rubber sheet, leaving some broad edges for fastening. Draw triangles. Cut them out. Hot glue the foam rubber sheet to the cardboard piece. Color the protractor with acrylic paints. Paint a rainbow. Coat the bottom part of the protractor with a light color. Cut clouds out of white and glittering foam rubber sheets. Draw a unicorn on a piece of white cardboard. Color it with acrylic paints. Hot glue the clouds and the unicorn to the protractor. Draw ruler hatch marks with a marker. The students are mesmerized by the shining rainbow. What a heavenly protractor! Miss Smith knows all the tips and tricks on how to make students learn geometry. The angle from the rainbow to the clouds is 90 degrees. Now even Unicorn knows that. Unicorn snuck a giant pen into class. It's made out of cosmic clouds. Dolly wants to use it right away. Cut a pool noodle into 2 pieces. Shape the smaller piece into a cone. Cut it across. Stick it in a marker. Hot glue it to fasten. Cover the piece with metallic cardboard. Coat the long part of the pool noodle with acrylic paints. Decorate it with stars. Put kinetic sand and glitter into a My bottle. Hot glue the tip of the giant marker to the cap of the bottle. Cover the visible part of the cap with the metallic cardboard. Attach the colored pool noodle to the bottom of the bottle. Cover the joint with a strip of cardboard. Shape a piece of cardboard into a clip on the pen. Cover the top with a strip of cardboard too. What is Dolly drawing so enthusiastically? This is a funny portrait of Miss Smith. How adorable! But once Dolly signs the portrait, something mind-blowing happens. Dolly and Miss Smith swap bodies. Oh my goodness! Now that's a twist! Dolly doesn't want to be a teacher, and Miss Smith can't see without her glasses. Ew! Why do I have pigtails? What's going on here? Who did this? This is the work of the Maxi Rainbow Pen. It turned out to be magical. We need to return the bodies to where they belong right now. If the pen is magical, then it should fix the portrait. But trying to turn the magic back doesn't work. Well, we'll have to get used to the bodies we have now. Poor Dolly! She doesn't deserve this adult blazer. Miss Smith